In this video, we'll explore the best monitors for graphic design. Let's dive into the features, benefits, and reviews to help you choose what's right for you. And for your convenience, all products mentioned in this video are going to be linked down in the description of this video. And with that in mind, let's get started. Number one on my list is the Dell 27-inch 4K USB-C monitor priced at $207. This monitor features a 4K ultra high definition display that delivers sharp and detailed visuals, essential for graphic designers who need precision in their work. Its three-sided ultra-thin bezel design maximizes screen space, allowing for a more immersive viewing experience. The monitor is equipped with a stand that can be adjusted for height, tilt, swivel, and pivot, ensuring that you can find the most comfortable viewing angle during long hours of creative work. Additionally, it includes built-in dual 3-watt speakers, eliminating the need for external audio solutions and keeping your workspace clean. USB-C connectivity simplifies the connection process, transmitting power, video, audio, and data through a single cable. Users have praised this monitor for its superior screen quality and functionality, calling it a perfect update from older models. However, some users have mentioned that the speaker quality is not the best for audio-heavy tasks. Overall, this monitor offers a great combination of style, comfort, and connectivity, making it an excellent choice for graphic designers looking for an efficient and effective workspace setup. Second on the list is the BenQ 27-inch Mac-ready monitor, available for $399. This monitor shines with its 27-inch quad high-definition display, which comes factory calibrated for superb color accuracy, making it ideal for professionals who rely on precise color matching. It covers 100% of Rec 709 and sRGB color spaces, ensuring that the colors you see on screen are true to life and consistent across all your design projects. The monitor also supports daisy chaining, which allows you to connect multiple monitors while minimizing cable clutter for a cleaner and more organized desk space. It features an ergonomic design with options to tilt, pivot, swivel, and adjust height, catering to your comfort during extended work periods. Built-in speakers and USB-C connectivity offer additional convenience, with users noting its space-saving benefits and high-quality build. Reviews often highlight the monitor's exceptional color coverage and ergonomic features, though some have pointed out that the brightness level could be improved. With its professional-grade accuracy and helpful design features, this monitor is a strong contender for any graphic design setup. Third, the ASUS 27-inch eye care monitor, priced at a more affordable $121, presents a compelling option for designers on a budget. This monitor provides a full high-definition display, ensuring clear and vibrant images for all types of media. Its frameless design and wide view angles make it a great choice for multi-monitor setups, providing continuity and a broad canvas for your designs. The eye care technology minimizes eye strain with flicker-free backlighting and low blue light filters, which is crucial for those long design sessions. Adaptive sync technology and a 75 frames per second refresh rate keep the visuals smooth, reducing lag and motion blur. Connectivity is facilitated through HDMI and D-sub ports, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of devices. Users appreciate this monitor for its crisp visuals and eye care features, though some have mentioned the need for longer cables and additional quality checks for accessories. This monitor is praised for its performance and value, making it an excellent choice for graphic designers looking for quality at an affordable price. Fourth, we got the Sceptre 24-inch professional monitor that comes in at just $116. Despite its smaller size, this monitor does not compromise on quality, offering a full high-definition display that provides detailed and colorful visuals. The 100 frames per second refresh rate and 1 millisecond blur reduction feature make it an excellent choice for both design and gaming, ensuring the fast-moving images are rendered clearly. It features built-in speakers and an audio out jack, which provide flexible audio options without cluttering your workspace. The blue light shift technology reduces hum from blue light exposure, which can help reduce eye strain during prolonged use. The monitor is also VESA wall mount compatible, offering flexibility in how and where you set up your monitor. Reviews for this monitor are generally positive, with users commenting on the vibrant color reproduction and smooth performance. However, some users have reported minor issues with hardware quality. though these are often quickly resolved. With its solid build and impressive display capabilities, this monitor is a fantastic choice for any designer looking for a compact and efficient option. Finally, the KOORUI 27-inch full high-definition monitor is priced very attractively at $89. This monitor boasts a sleek, frameless design and utilizes technology to provide a panoramic viewing experience with brilliant visuals. The 75 frames per second refresh rate ensures smooth image transitions, which is beneficial for both design and entertainment purposes. The 27-inch size, coupled with a wide viewing angle, allows for clear and sharp images from virtually any perspective, enhancing the flexibility of your workspace. Although it lacks built-in speakers, the monitor makes up for this with its high-quality display and affordability. Users have particularly praised its vivid color output and reliability, noting it as a standout choice for its price range. Despite some concerns over the absence of speakers, most reviews confirm that the monitor's performance and value are hard to beat, making it an excellent option for those on a tighter budget or those who need a secondary monitor. Each of these monitors offers unique benefits tailored to the needs of graphic designers. Whether you prioritize high resolution, color accuracy, ergonomic design, or budget-friendly options, there is a monitor on this list for you. And don't forget, all products mentioned in this video are linked down in the description of this video. Hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching.